Analyze this for 400. The graph models the height h of a model rocket launched from the roof of a 30-meter building, t seconds after launch. The rocket reached its maximum height how many seconds after launch? I'm going to go back to my word problem interpretation skills like I always do when I have data analysis. Guys, what are they asking me to do or to find?
The maximum height.
It's related to the maximum height. Read that whole question though. It says the rocket reached its maximum height. How many
How
seconds?
many seconds after launch?
Yeah, so we're looking for the time it reached its maximum height. Like how many seconds did it take to get to the max height? Any thoughts? Where on the graph should I look for how many seconds it took to reach the max height? Where's the max height?
At the top, where it says
Oh,
6 point
this one?
what?
I think my rocket went higher than
Yeah,
that. Yeah, I think my rocket went pretty dang high.
I was looking at the point.
I know the point was just there to distract you. The point doesn't even get involved in this question. I'm rude. I'm a jerk. Well, I'm noticing again with the graph that this says height of the rocket in meters. So there's the height. But on the bottom, it says time after launch in seconds. So if I want to know the time, I'm going to have to come from this point and down that way. So about how long did it take for me to get to this high point?
4.4.
Beautiful. A 4.4. Gorgeous. Now, guys, they could ask you a lot of things about this graph. Okay. So they asked us about the maximum height. What if they asked us how high the rocket was launched from? Where would you look if you were trying to find the launch?
Right above the zero.
Yes, right here at 0. That's the launch. That's the graph taking off. What about if I wanted to ask about when the rocket landed? Where would that be?
8 point, I would say 9.
A little bit past that. Yeah, here's our rocket landing. Exactly. So depending on what they ask you for, you could be looking at different places on this graph. So a lot of teachers will try to teach you how to do this math, how to graph these types of graphs. You don't have to know how to graph these types of graphs, but you do need to know how to understand them in a word problem, what they mean.